guys! Welcome back to our channel, Craytashing Adventures. And for today's video, nandito kami ngayon sa Nasugbu, Batangas. This is Canyon Cove Village Beach. And free lang kami dito nakapunta because we book a Brisa property resort which is called Brisa Verde. Kaya lang, ang check-in namin is in the afternoon pa and gusto namin mas maaga. So, they gave us a free entrance here sa village beach nila dito sa Canyon Cove. So, eto. Pero, hindi pa siya masyadong developed na beach resort. Kasi nga, para to sa mga homeowners dito sa Canyon Cove Village. Pero, you can stay here. You can also have a dip in the sea, dyan sa beach if you want to. Kaya lang wala pa silang CR na magagamit. So, wala kayong changing room. Ito yung itsura dito, guys. Ayan, we build lang yung mga beach chair. Tapos, meron kaming picnic mat. Ayan. And then, we have our food for our lunch later. Tapos, ito yung beach area. So, pwede kayong mag-swim dyan. Mababaw lang naman yung water. Ayan. Ganda din ng tubig dito. Pero low tide daw ngayon. So later, we'll give you a tour naman dun sa resort, farm resort na binook namin. Ito yung village dito sa Canyon Cove. So ayan yung itsura niya. May mga ginagawa pang mga houses. Hindi pa siya fully developed. Tapos, dun sa banda dito will be the beach. Ayan. Siguro parang siyang katulad dun sa Porto Laia na pinuntahan namin. Siguro hindi pa siya fully developed pero magiging ganun din siya in the future. So now guys, we are now heading to the Brisa Verde, yung resort, farm resort na binook namin dito sa Nasugbu, Batangas. So it's according to Waze, it's about like 40 minutes drive from here, from the village beach. Tapos, papakita namin sa inyo how it looks like when we arrive there. Ganyan yung itsura dito sa loob ng Canyon Cove Village. So, going here, dadaan muna kayo sa Canyon Cove Hotel, Beach Resort and Hotel. Yun yung first gate na dadaanan ninyo. And then, just tell them na sa village kayo. Tapos, tuturo na kayo sa daan. And then, you'll arrive to the second gate. Tapos, yun na yung village location. Ayan, dito naman sa area na to, makita nyo, dyan yung beach pagbaba ninyo. Unfortunately, hindi siya pwedeng kuhaan ng drone dito sa village because it's a private village. So, prerogative ng mga nakatira dito not to fly the drone. Siguro kasi may mga nakatira na. So, kahit sa may beach area, bawal mag-fly ng drone. Yan lang. Welcome to Brisa Verde! Hi guys! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Brisa Verde. So, let's have a quick tour now. Meron silang dalawang houses. So, this is house number 1 and then the other side naman is the house number 2. So, punta muna tayo sa house number 1. Let's go! So, guys, this is house number 1 ng Brisa Verde. So, as you enter, meron silang glass door na sliding. Ayan. And fully air-conditioned na yung living area na to. And if you can see, meron na din ditong dining table. And dito naman sa side na to is the kitchen. So, meron na ditong gas stove. Tapos, meron na din sila ditong sink. So, you can cook your food while staying here. Aside from that, meron na ditong day bed. So, pwede na ditong mag-accommodate ng 2 persons. And also, a pull-out bed. May pull-out bed na din dito. that can still accommodate another person. And this side naman guys, there is a LED TV na pwede nyong magamit. Sa other side ng house, nandoon yung videoke nila. But this one, walang videoke, but you can still use the TV for watching. And if you can see here, ito yung Wi-Fi password nila. So, you can connect to their Wi-Fi. And also, you can contact Ate Lily. Siya yung caretaker dito. So, anytime you need something, pwede nyo siyang tawagan para hindi na kayo lalakad papunta sa house niya. Punta naman tayo ngayon sa second floor. So, ito yung stairs nila. You can see high ceiling yung stairs. So, aesthetic talaga yung dating niya. This is the room upstairs. Ayan. Open natin yung mga lights. So, inside the room, ito merong agad mirror and sink. Tapos, on this side, you will see the bed. So, double size yung bed that can accommodate 2 person. Tapos, may pull-out din yan. May pull-out din na dalawa. And this is also fully air-conditioned. And they also provide extra mattress kapag may additional person kayo. Ayan. Also provided here, a full-size mirror para pagka mag-OOTD check ka, pack na pack, diba? Isa naman, meron silang hanger run ng mga damit. So, you can hang your clothes here or your towels pagkagamit na. Ayan. And they also provided 2 towels. So, they are only providing 2 towels per house. So, if you are more than 4, syempre, you have to bring your own towel. Aside from the 2, of course. Inside the room, ito yung kanilang bathroom or yung CR. This is the toilet and bath. Here you can see the toilet. Meron na din siyang bidet, which is very nice. Tapos, ito yung shower area niya. So, they have rain shower. Tapos, hot and cold na din yung water dito, which is maganda kasi medyo malamig ngayon ang panahon sa Philippines. And, of course, meron din siyang view sa labas. Kaya lang meron siyang mga kawayan. But you can still see the outside. Yan. From this window ng second floor ng house, you will see the outside view. Ayan yung pool view, tsaka yung isang house doon sa kabila. And just outside the house, guys, you will see the pool. Ito. So, ayan yung pool ng first house. And there, ayan naman yung second house. Punta naman tayo dito sa CR or bathroom ng sa labas. This area nito, you will see there's a sink. So, before eating sa pavilion, pwede kayo dito mag-wash ng hands ninyo. Sa side naman nito, they have the shower area. So, open natin. It's a sliding door. Ito yung shower area nila. On the other side naman is the toilet. Open natin. So, yan. Ito yung toilet dito sa labas. They also have bidet, tapos trash can and tissue. Malawak yung area dito. Ayan yung sa naming car. We actually have 4 cars na dala today and 2 motorcycle. Pero makikita nyo ang lawak nung area. And they have a pavilion there. Ayan. So, pwede kayo pumunta dyan if you want like a gathering. Pwede kayo, kung meron kayong program, may games, pwede nyong gawin doon. And you can also eat there para sama-sama kayo. Kasi doon sa house, parang 8 lang yung capacity ng dining table. So, if you want together, pwede kayo dyan sa pavilion. This is the pavilion area na sinasabi ko kanina. Ito yung up-close location niya. Ito yung up-close na itsura niya. So, nandito din yung grill area. At least, diba, malayo siya dun sa house. Hindi mo maaamoy yung smoke pagka nasa bahay kayo. So, yan. They have a really nice grill area here. So, mamaya dito tayo mag-grill ng food natin. And then, ayan. So, if may mga pag-games kayo, may program kayo, this is a really good location to do that. Tapos, later, we're planning to pitch our tent there sa malapit sa may parking. Ayan yung mga car. Sobrang fresh ng air dito, kaya magandang mag-unwind and mag-relax dito. And kahit malayo siya dun sa mismong town proper, sobrang maganda pa din yung location niya kasi malakas pa din yung internet dito. Unlike sa ibang location, 'di ba? Pagka medyo malayo na sa town proper, mahina na din yung internet connection. So dito hindi ganoon, malakas pa din yung 5G connection. And ayan, ang laki nung area nila. And dun sa house na yon, dun banda is the house of Ate Lily, yung caretaker. Now this is the house number 2. So it's almost similar lang naman dun sa house number 1. They also have the toilet here sa labas. They have the sink here. Tapos the shower area dito sa side na to. And also there, swimming pool. So there's a total of 2 swimming pools dito sa Brisa Verde. The only difference here sa house number 2 is meron siyang ref. Ayan, yung ref. Sige, open. Yan. So pwede kayong mag-store ng mga drinks and food ninyo. Meron din ditong freezer. Ayan. So nandyan yung ice and other food namin. Dito sa second house, dito din nakalagay yung kanilang water dispenser. So if you book an overnight stay here, you'll get a free 5 gallons of water. In excess of that, if you still need more water, drinking water to be specific, you have to pay 100 pesos for that. Hi guys! So, it's nighttime na dito sa Brisa Verde. Ito yung view dito kapag gabi. Ito. And that's Peng. And, ayan, naset up na namin yung tent namin. Although, hindi naman kami dyan matutulog, but we'll just make tambay mamaya dyan. May mga card games kami and other activities that we'll do. Ayan. Tapos, kanina, maganda yung view dito ng moon. Dyan sa dyan. Kaya lang bumaba na siya and you can see a lot of stars, so maganda siya pagkagabi. Then we will have a bonfire set up dito banda sa area na to, yung bonfire nila. Mamaya I'll take a video as well. And then for our dinner, we'll have our dinner here sa pavilion area. Nasa-set up pa lang kami kasi we are transporting the food from the kitchen going here. Dinner namin, we have steamed okra, tapos we have sinigang, tapos ito made by our chef Kurt, beef pares, tapos meron din kami ditong dinakdakan, of course ang inihaw na liempo, and we also have here red egg. Meron din kaming bangus doon. Nandun pa sa inihawan. Nasa ihawan pa yung aming bangus. And ayan, nagdadala pa sila ng food dito. Yan, ganda dito. Ayan yung bonfire for tonight. And then, we're playing games habang nagbo-bonfire. Hi guys, so now we all already checked out sa aming farm stay sa Brisa Verde. So overall, we really had fun staying here at this staycation house. Sobrang serene nung stay namin and very helpful din yung mga caretaker dito sa property na to. Ate Lily is very helpful and very friendly sa lahat ng mga kailangan namin. Whenever we need something, may nakalimutan kaming bilhin or kinulang kami ng bigas, they are always ready to help us para magpabili sa kanila. So, I'm really thankful that they're here para sa mga guests nila. And also, yung stay namin dito, sa amin lang yung buong property. It's very huge. Tapos, dalawa yung houses. We are all 18 overall. Tapos, kasya kami doon sa dalawang houses na to. And they have all the amenities that you need for your staycation, like yung stove, ref, water dispenser. Tapos they all have the cooking utensils na kailangan mo. May mga kawali sila. They have plates and spoon and fork. Although we also bring our disposables, pero syempre mauubusan kayo. So we were able to use din yung mga gamit nila sa farm. Pero make sure lang that you will also clean up, huhugasan niyo yung mga plates na ginamit ninyo because they will charge you an additional cleaning fee if you don't. So, yun. And ang package na nakuha namin dito sa Brisa Verde is 13,000 for 12 packs and then additional 500 pesos for additional packs. Maximum of 18 people sa kanila. So, yun guys. So, if you also want to stay in a serene place na may swimming pool na private ninyo ng pamilya ninyo or your barkada, check out Brisa Verde. We highly recommend this place. And also, don't forget to use my Klook code, KLOOKHECKLE, for any travel needs ninyo. So, ayun naman muna guys, that concludes our stay here at Brisa Verde. I hope you like this video guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And follow us in TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Curtashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till next time, goodbye!
Kurt Dashing Adventures, where adventures never end!
Yay!
Good job, everyone.